So I'm just going to look at how we work through this problem where we want to do, looking at the code, and we want a section in here. We're breaking up the detail section, okay, and we're going to add the tracker into there, and we're going to update the tracking details and make it update the form as well. I'm just going to put some comments in here so we can see what these are for. So this is the div object for the div object for details. Okay, so that's a comment in there. And we need to break this up into 3 parts. So we've said we want to break this up into a tracker. So we've got a space for the tracker. We'll do for the tracker. And then we also want a div for the user to input their definition. Okay, that's what we said we want. So I'm going to make a div for that. So div, and I'm going to give it a name. We'll call it a tracker. And I'm going to close the div, /div. And then I'll do the same for the div for this bit here. So div, and I'll call that, let's call that user definition. Looks like that. Close that as well. So notice that every time I'm doing this, I'm also closing. Okay, if I'm opening something, I'll do that. Now, this is going to be dynamically filled. Okay, so I'm just going to put that in there. Dynamically filled from JavaScript. Okay, so we're going to do that. And this is static. So we're going to put into here a text area as well. Okay, and give it a name, and we can call it user input. And it's a text area, so I need to put in that it's a form control. Now you should have this from your website that you did. You get rows equals 4. Let's put that. And polls equals 60 as well. Okay, close that, /text area. Put that in. So there I've set up my my static web page. We'll save that. Now if we go to buttons, so you can say this is on BTN Next. When we click on BTN Next, so at the moment we've got it doing making the card, making the paragraph. Here it's made the paragraph text, and then we've put the text into the paragraph, and then we've added the text to details. So this represents this whole box. That's what details is. So if I keep the code as it is, it will replace all of this. Okay, we'll take all of that and replace it with just the tracker. Now, I don't want. I want the tracker to go here. Okay, so add, let's put in there, add tracker to details. So that's got to go into tracker. Okay, so it goes there. So it will only update that. And then the only other thing I need to do is to update the text area. So to wipe it clean. So I'm going to do what I've got here. I'm going to copy and paste that. So the text area is called user input there. So it's ID's user input. So I'm going to change that and say user input. It's a text box, not an HTML element. So I'm going to say val. I'm going to set it val to nothing. Okay? And then we put in the card and move that up. That can go with. Okay, so here's my next. I'm doing 10. Okay, making a card for next card. So actually, yeah, I'm making the card. I'm doing that. I'm adding the paragraphs. I'm adding the paragraph text, and then working you through it. So that's what we should be doing. So if it's yeah, so don't worry about that bit there. So that's what we need to make sure we've got happening with yours. So it should be inside the 10, the length of 10. So if turns length, that's all right. Yeah, so we've got that there. So that's fine. Okay, so that's what we're doing there. So make sure you've got that.